To get your 4,000 watch hour, you need 261 times 2.5 minute view per day to get your 4,000 watch hour in a year, or 217 per day times 3 minute view, or 186 per day times 3.5 minute view, 163 per day views times 4 minute view. So you see, for you to be able to monetize fast, this is how long, or this is how much your video is supposed to be viewed for you to be able to monetize fast. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve all these things faster to get monetized on YouTube. You are welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I am able to get my 4,000 watch hour faster. If this is what you want to know, please do well to stay to the end of this video. Don't click out, because if you click out, you will not be able to know the trick and the tips I'm going to give you on how you can fastly get your 4,000 watch hour. If this is what you want to know, please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that when I post a video, you will be updated. All these analysis I give here because I have a video that is giving me 261 view per day, and the average view duration of that video is 2.5 minute view. First, what is YouTube watch hour? And I'm going to explain this. YouTube watch hour is the accumulative duration that individuals spend watching a video. Each YouTube video has a watch time which contributes to your channel overall count. For your watch time to count towards monetization, you must gain 4,000 watch hour in 12 consecutive months, and also you need 1,000 subscribers for you to be able to get monetized on YouTube. Let's dive into the video. The first thing that you need to do to get your 4,000 watch hour fast, pray to God. Always commit your channel into the hands of God. Without committing your channel into the hands of God, you will not be able to do it alone in this YouTube space. You need God, you need prayers. The second thing you need to do is for you to be consistent. A lot of us has been talking about consistency, and you will find out that being consistent on YouTube is what will keep you going. Being consistent on YouTube is what is going to make you to get that 4,000 watch hour that you are looking for. You cannot get that 4,000 watch hour without being consistent on YouTube. You have to take it serious, because I cannot start to jump into telling you other things without telling you the basic thing. The basic thing, the first one I listed, which is praying to God, and the second one, which is being consistent, it's something that we can never be overemphasized about, because this is what keeps the channel watch hour going. There's never a day I don't go to check my YouTube analytics to check how far my subscribers count has gone, and also how far my watch hour is doing. The third thing that you need to get your 4,000 watch hour fast is to live stream. When you live stream, the ability for you to get your 4,000 watch hour is faster. When you want to live stream, is for you to put your phone on vertical, which is this way. This is a way that you can put your phone on vertical to enable you get your 4,000 watch hour, and it also helps you to get for people to know that you are on live stream. I always advise people to use phone, because phone is, let's say it attract audience more than laptop. So when you use your phone, it's going to attract audience that will come and watch. When I mean live streaming, do it every day. When you do it every day, do it for at least 1 hour, 2 hours, as your strength can carry you. You can also do silent live stream. And what is silent live stream? Silent live stream, the way you can do your silent live stream is when you on your camera, you position it on anything. You can position it on your teddy bear, you can position it on your fan, you can position it on anything that is attractive, something that can make somebody to stop and say, what is this thing? Something that can attract somebody to stop by and watch that live stream. That is what I mean by silent live stream. You are not necessarily to show your face. You just position it on something. You can position it on the main road where cars are passing by. You can position, if you are close to stream, you can position it in the stream. If you can go anywhere, just look for a beautiful place. Just put your camera there. Mute your mic to avoid copyright. Then you can do your silent live stream. Next, make an engaging content that people want to see. What are the content that people want to see? First of all, know what your audience wants to watch. If you go to your YouTube analytics, you will find out that there is time that your audience are always on YouTube, and that is the best time for you to post your content. That is the best time for you to go live. By so doing, you have, number one, master the time that your audience are always around. Then you can now post your video. Your audience are not, it cannot be that when your audience are Nigerians, and you know that every Nigerian, once it is 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, they are all sleeping. You will now come by 12 a.m. to post your video. Nobody is going to watch the video, because even me, by that time, I will be fast asleep and I cannot wake up to come and watch your video. So what I expected you to do is post your video when I am still awake, when other people are still awake. Believe you me or not, 80% of people watching your video, watching my own video on YouTube, are also YouTubers. Yes, they are also YouTubers like me and you. So you have to post when they are available. When know your audience, then post when they are available so that they can also watch your video. Create catchy video, create catchy thumbnails, create catchy topic, post what people want to see. Let your video be the title of what they want to watch. Let your thumbnail be of what they want to see. You cannot keep posting what you want to watch. If you do that, you will be watching your video by yourself. Post what they want to see. There are a lot of channels. When you check it, you see that they have a lot of view. Why? Because they already know what people want to view on YouTube. You don't post what you want to see or what you want to view. You post what people want to see on YouTube. Consistent uploading. Upload a video consistently. If you are posting every day, make sure you keep posting every day, because some people that subscribe to your channel are there because you post video every day. So make sure you maintain that speed of posting your video every day. Consistent uploading schedule. When you want to post your video, go to your post, then tell your audience, write to them that your video is going to come up so time, so hour, so day. By so doing, a lot of them will be aware that you're going to post a video soon. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partnering with other YouTubers can introduce your content to larger audience. It can make a lot of people to see you, see your video, run to your channel to watch or to know what you do in your channel. When you upload your video, make sure you include your playlist in your video for them to watch, and it will play automatically. So it is very important that you always add playlist in your video. By so doing, they can go through your channel, watch all other videos, and then your watch hour is going to increase. Respond to comments, engage with your audience in your comment section. For somebody to watch your video and also comment, that to show that that person is interested in what you do. The person like what you do. So don't ignore that comment or that like. By focusing on these tips and this strategy, you will get your 4,000 watch hour faster in the next 1 year before your watch hour begin to reduce. If you get value in this video, please do well to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.